Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craftery and welcome to What's in Sharon's box. Her creative box is full and overflowing. Let's take a peek at what she got. There is a link below to the main videos of Creative Box, so feel free to check those out. We've got a bag full of lace, and these types of things wash down really good, so thank goodness for that. We've got the wine cork caps that will make really good wax seals or other things, so we got that. Throwing some stuff, some cards, a few different kinds of cards in here, some fibers. So nice having lots of different kinds of fibers. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got some of this celestial style wallpaper. What else do we got here? We got so much stuff in here. Just some lace trim. Sometimes I do the stuff in bundles. Sometimes it's singly. We've got some of these tulip cards. And I do my best to, when you buy a package of something, just do my best to give a variety. This was a little Japanese type set. There's a placemat, a napkin, and then this napkin holder. So she wanted a set of those. So those are in her box. What else we got? Oh, all the pieces, and I put Sharon's name on this because she actually asked for some railroad cards and whatnot if I had. And I did, so I tried to give her a good variety for railroad. Her son-in-law or somebody likes railroad. We've got the poker pieces, some of the shiny ribbon, these silver and gold snowflakes, which these were Stampin' Up things. Some more fibers. We've got makeup brushes. Or not makeup, they're for doing eyelashes. But I thought they'd do really good for boho beads, as well as the little brushes. They work great. We got paper bags. More different cards. What else? What else? We got tons of stuff. Oh, these are the milk filters. They're for milking, cows, dairy. And they're like a really heavy interfacing. So they'll be fun to do something with, I'm sure. Oh, and she got one of my fiber tassels as well. I do perks in mine, as Kim calls them perks, so I'm calling them perks now. These are plastic doilies, placemats, tablecloths for tea dyeing papers. More fibers. Sharon loves her fibers, and it's so nice to have a big variety. Some of this lattice ribbon. It's going to be fun trying to, one extra filter down in there. Some more fibers. We got, some of this, I can't remember what it's called, but it's when you make like a fancy hat and then there's a veil in front of the hat. This is different stuff from there. Some of this beautiful pink, rose pink ribbon. Some other lacy stuff. More fibers, and then some lace. And like I say, sometimes the lace comes separately. Sometimes it comes in bundles. This is some of that 7mm, 8mm home movie tape. We got some colored doily bits, a couple napkins, a bunch of my tea cards and tickets. These are from my printables. I had so many of them, so And then just some dangles I made from old jewelry. Great to dress up your journal. We got more fibers. Oh, and then I think Sharon must have asked for 2 of these because she's got 2 in there. What else do we got? Getting down there in the box. It's hard to fit everything into a box. You want to give them as much stuff as possible. These were like buttons in there. They're kind of cool. Some of the suede rusted ribbon. What else we got? Oh, all the grommets and brads. More fibers. Oh, what did I drop? I dropped something. I heard it. I will have to look for that. I don't know where. It probably is under my chair. We got some coin holders. And some of my, oh no, we got these cardboard things, library pockets, some of the perks I put in with my homemade goodies, wooden bits and odds and ends of weird little things, more fibers. And then we have another thing that I made and some cards. And other than the one thing that I dropped, which I will find, let me take a quick look. Must be under my table somewhere. So I will definitely find that. Oh, didn't finish yet. What am I doing? 50-year-old toilet paper. Japanese books from 64 and 68. A work basket. Love these. These were from in the 50s to the 60s. Rural America. Some pages from a book from the Soviet Union. I did try whenever possible to write the pages just so then people know. These are paper doilies. There was, I don't know, 25 paper doilies or something. We have, oh, these are the big labels. There's 2, 4, 10 labels on a thing, and they're great to print on. We got some ledger paper. I was short on this. Here was the one that I showed. Wasn't as many in the package as I thought, so I just evened it out with a whole bunch of other ones. And Sharon also took a page from the cigarette package scrapbook that I found one time in the thrift store. So I will have to cut this down, unfortunately, in order to fit it into the box. And I did mention that. So lots of goodies going into Sharon's box and going out to her any day when I make this, any day. I'll be packing it into the box right now, and it'll be ready for next time I go to the post office. So like, share, subscribe. There will be a link down below for Creative Box if you're interested in getting one. So yeah, we'll see you again soon in the next video. Bye.